Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Today's video, of course, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, the explosion on Matic, what to look for next, and what's going on with Cardano. These are the things we're going to look at, and we're going to go in that order. We're Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, and Cardano. So this is how we're going to do it. But guys, listen, we always chart Bitcoin because Bitcoin runs the market. So it's very important to always, if you're not in Bitcoin, if you're in Cardano, if you're in Matic, if you're in Ethereum, always watch the Bitcoin charts, guys. Very, 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 very important. If you're in any coin, it is the market controller, okay? Sometimes Ethereum could control the market, but 90% of the time it's Bitcoin. Even if Ethereum's having a great run and can pull Bitcoin up, if Bitcoin decides to tank, eventually it'll bring Ethereum down. I mean, Bitcoin runs the market. So that's why we always, 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 always chart Bitcoin no matter what. No, if you're in it or not. Okay. So I just wanted to clear that up for you guys. All right. So right now we are on the 4-hour chart. If you saw my video yesterday, we talked about breaking out of this trend. Well, when I did the video yesterday, we were right up here in this candle. And I said, well, maybe we can get this breakout here, right? Well, it failed on us. We came back. We hit the low of the day, actually on the very next 4-hour candle. And then we got our pop. We got our close. We came back, got our rejection like I talked about. But we also got the rejection off of my line at, I had $50,505. And we got up to $50,502. So guys, $3 off on a Bitcoin is I'm not gonna lie, it is impressive. It is impressive because Bitcoin with the way the spread is, that's we're doing good here. But we did hit the high that I had for a possible rejection. But coming out of this move, we should go higher. The only thing is it's the weekend. So typically on the weekends, we don't really see that much volume and breakouts, especially on a Sunday. Maybe tonight we could see a bigger move, or later today, or going into Monday, we would see a bigger move. It is, I believe it's Memorial Day, if I'm correct, right? So, I'm not sure how that's going to react, but yeah, usually during the busy times of the week, a lot of people are doing things and they're not paying attention to these moves yet. And then once they catch on, you'll see it starting to go up. But this might be a creeper instead of an explosion. You're not going to see explosion like Matic, like we do. Matic is a different. It's different than Bitcoin. Bitcoin explosion is like 5 to 10% up. On a one single move. Of course, it could trickle its way up 20% in a couple days or something. But for right now, this is what we're looking at. Ethereum, we're going to go to the 4-hour. We're still in my purple box that held perfectly as support, guys. Look at this. I mean, you couldn't even get, boom, we got the bounce right off my blue line. Was it the low? Oh, almost, guys. Look, 38, there are $3,838. We got down to $3,835, which, do you guys remember, that was the high, the previous high back here that we hit a couple times right to the dollar. So we got the bounce there. We're moving our way up. We did get a 4-hour candle close. So I do expect to go higher in this move. It's just like I said, it's kind of going to be like a Bitcoin where we get like it's a trickle effect, because it is Sunday, maybe later tonight. Usually I would say later tonight going into Monday on a trading, but I believe the market is closed. If I'm correct, I don't know if the stock market's closed. I think it is. Sometimes they'll keep it open till 12 and then close it on some holidays, but I just forget which ones. It's been a minute since I forget which holidays they close it for the whole day, and sometimes they'll do it until 12 o'clock, and then they'll shut it off early. Sometimes they do that with the market, but so we'll see how this plays out. But yeah. It's looking good, guys. More upside. Matic, I had a couple targets here. We got in between my box here, but I still believe, 185 area would be a nice area to look for maybe a little rejection and then a pullback and then a go. So that's what I'm looking at for Matic. It's still looking good. We exploded out of this move. Awesome move. I see in my comments that some of you guys did take this trade. I'm happy for you, and some of you guys just held from the W or even held a little bit longer, which is great, guys. Because I felt like when we were down, and I know this for a fact, we were down. I was the only one I felt like feeling confident that, hey guys, Maddox going higher. Even when we got down to here, I said, guys, I'm standing by what I say. We were at the most bearish moment of this pattern. I said, guys, I'm standing by this move. Okay. I'm not giving up on this move. I'm going to stand by it. And that's the way I'm not going back on it. And we got the move, guys. I was that confident in this move. So I'm very happy for some of you guys that took that trade. Beautiful, beautiful move. Let's see. Cardano. All right, this is very interesting. So on the daily, okay, we're going to go to the daily. We want to back up into this pattern on the daily. We're running out of time here, okay? But we had a wick, but we want to get that daily candle close up in here so we can finally break out of this pattern. You can see it right here. We want to get this daily candle up here, at least above 290 area, 291. We want to get a daily candle closing above there. Let's see here, 4 hour. 4 hour. Now here's how I did this, guys. I did a trend, okay, hoping that we can break out of this trend to get back up into this trend, right? It's called a trend within inside the trend. So, but all we had was a couple wicks. Boom, wick, wick. We could not get a 4-hour candle close, and it doesn't look like we're getting one now. We have 46 minutes left. We could, but it's not looking that great. Maybe if we do just trade sideways here, we could get above it. But then we got to watch for the failure. So we got to watch for something like this, the next candle closing here. Or if it gets lower and closes under here, then we're probably going to come down more. But if the candle closes above here, we don't want to see it come back down into this area. Okay, we want to see it maybe bounce and then go higher and hopefully get back up into here and not get rejected here and come back down. Because if that happens, then that won't look as good either. So that's what I'm looking at for Cardano. Matic, we covered it. Ethereum, yeah, Ethereum could come down, bounce here, but in the end, this is coming out of a bearish or I'm sorry, not a bearish trend, but it is coming out of a trend, and anytime this happens, usually we get to the upside or go a little bit higher. Bitcoin, same thing. It's just like I said, it's the weekend. It's choppy. I don't expect. There's the volume's just not there. It's not there on Ethereum. Look at all this volume back here, guys, and look at right here. Look at this. Nothing. So we just gotta wait for volume to come in. Once the volume comes in, then we could see more to the upside. But for right now, maybe just a little sideways action. Okay. Hey, let's see if we can get that close above there. That'll be interesting, but on Cardano. But yeah, for right now, a little sideways up, maybe a little sideways up. Let's see what we have on Matic on an hour chart. Any negativity? Because Matic had a heck of a run, guys. So usually you expect a little bit of a pullback. So what we can do is we can draw something like this up. Okay. Let's see here. Take it from here. No, I don't like that. Let's take it from here. Actually, if I can get it. Why is it not locking? God dang it, guys. Hold on. Bear with me. Bear with me. Not really liking this. I mean, you can kind of draw this up, but really, it's more of along the lines of something like this. Oh, we already broke the trend. So we already broke this trend. So we are in a downtrend. So yeah, you know what? We're gonna do this then. Okay, we're gonna do this because I actually I closed this position already. So I haven't looked at this chart today. This is actually the first time I'm looking at it. Um, so I mean, the way you would look at this is if you were in this trend right here, this was a good top, and then you could see the failure right here. Once it closed underneath this candle, you could have looked for the downside, but the confirmation definitely would have been breaking this trend, where you could have got out at 171 and then came down. Um, let's see if this candle closes underneath this candle here, because if that's the case, then maybe some more downside. But we could break this trend here and go. Let's see, this is on the hour chart. So let's see if we can break this downtrend, okay, that we're in here, and kind of go up in this if we break it, or if we go down and we close underneath it here and get rejected, then we can just keep going further down in this pattern. But those are the things with Matic that I would be looking for. Yeah, let me see. Let's see what we have on the 4-hour chart real quick. 4 hour, anything interesting? Let's see. 66. Well, no, I think that's it, guys. I think that's it for the day. So far, everything's like, look, everything's working out exactly like I talked about in my video from yesterday, guys. So would there be panic? No. I said, look, don't worry. We're down. Don't worry. We're going up. Okay, so watch out for this move. If you would have took this move, let's see. I don't even know what it would be if you would have took this move right here. I mean, hey, that's still a 2-to-1 trade right there. It's not bad. But I still think there's more upside. So, yeah, I think that's it, guys, for right now today. I'll make a video later tonight, of course, to update everybody, because we are having our weekly close. So that'll be very interesting to see what happens on the weekly. So we can check the weekly charts to see what we're looking at, and we'll go from there. So, guys, still bullish. I'm still bullish until we're not. Like we usually like I say, I'm bullish until we're not. So, listen, guys. Much love to you guys. Have a great Sunday. I'll talk to you. I'll be back on here later tonight, probably after candle close, maybe around 9:30. If I can get it done at 8:30, I just sometimes what happens is if you get it done right after, the moves start happening around 9:30, 10 from those closes, or even 8 o'clock, depending on how it closes. So it does get a little violent then. So we'll check it out around that time, and then I'll get a video uploaded to you guys then, and so you guys can check that video out. So make sure you guys sub to my channel, hit the bell, hit all. It's very important, and I know I say this in all my videos, but guys, it's very important because you could go to my videos and not see my video, even on my channel, because YouTube shadow bans it. So if you hit the all, that is a way that you can always see my channels no matter what. Even if it's, they try to shadow ban me, you can see the videos and you get the notifications right away. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. Moondog Trading. I'm going to also put my link to Twitter in the description. Plus, this is TradingView that I'm using for some of you guys that are new to the channel. This is free. When you do the free account, you do get pop-ups. It's kind of annoying. And you don't get too many indicators. So like if I click on this, I have some of these indicators here. This is just the one chart. I mess around with some of these indicators. I have other charts that I'm back testing, other indicators that I found that are very interesting. But I like to do 100 trades before I really like the ones I showed you. These are just pretty much basic indicators. RSI. Actually, I have two different RSIs here, and then I got a and then I got I got the MACD. So these are just basic indicators right here. Nothing too crazy. But I'm getting into some different indicators that I'm back testing, but I'm not going to show you guys those because those are I am in a future, but I want to back test them to make sure they work before I'm like, hey guys, look, I found this indicator that might help you. You know, I want to make sure that it does help you before I post it on YouTube because I want to make sure I'm doing the right thing for you guys. Listen, much love. Peace out. I'll be back on later. I'll put a link in TradingView on here so you guys can check it out. When you go to that link, you're going to see prices. Don't get scared. Just go. You can set up a free account. If you do decide to get the cheap account or account in general, you do get a $30 discount using my link. So just keep that in mind. Much love to you guys. Peace out.